My name is Richard Frankland. I'm a Gunditj Mara fella. Gunditj Mara means family of man. I tell the rest of my tribe it means handsome old black man. We're based in the southeast of Australia, down in the cold country. It's a really beautiful country. I've got a lot of relationships up north, and an old man told me a story. The story he told me was the Macassans used to come to Australia and sing a song with navigating, saying they're going to visit the oldest people in the world. And they used to trade. So they'd trade with the Yolngu mob, with the Yirrkala mob, Arnhem Land, Kimberley, and then they'd trade on, Trapang onto China. So there was a really healthy trade system. In fact, there were economies all over Australia between First Nations mob as well. Healthy trade. That got smashed with colonisation or invasion. Our whole social order was smashed. So we're doing this art project between Yirrkala and Macassans. We've engaged artists from both sides of the water. We've got filmmakers, we've got visual artists. And what's really exciting about it is the ethos of it. And the ethos is essentially this: what was, what is, and what can be. And to me, this unravels the cultural tapestry of Australia. It says we're not just a monoculture, we're diverse. And we had trade, and we had social order, and we've still got elements of that. What was, which was that type of trade and those type of economies and social orders. What is? Well, what is we're rebuilding those trades and social orders in a whole heap of ways. What can be? Well, it's limitless. It's limitless because of the diversity of the Australia now and the diversity of Australia that was. So we will challenge a lot of the contemporary concepts of what Australia is. Australia is made up of over 500 First Nation groups. Our closest neighbours, the Indonesians, are made up of mobs of different ethnic groups, and they're really keen to have, both groups are really keen to engage with each other in student exchange, art exchange, economic exchange. This is an opportunity for all of us to explore those areas, and the opportunity will, well, I believe the opportunity will not only unravel this cultural tapestry that we live under now in Australia, it'll stitch it together, embracing that diversity. This project between Makassar and Yirrkala is another rung on a ladder towards changing who we are as a nation and changing it into something great, something wonderful, something somewhere that we can all call home safely.